almost all the time before I mean, my first film did well, I was short on money. Uh, I think those are, yes, very frustrating times, but also the most memorable now that you look back. There have been so many times where I used to borrow money from my friends, or sometimes not have money to fill petrol in my car, yeah, which is a very normal thing, and I'm extremely proud that I went through that in life, because I think it keeps me connected with reality. I mean, we are making films for an audience which is a very normal audience, and I feel that it's good that I'm a part of I can feel connected to what the common man feels, or how he is as a person. And I think those are very essential experiences one needs to have uh, in your life as an actor. I mean, tomorrow when I play a role of a guy who maybe doesn't have money to eat food, I must at some level be able to connect with him, and I definitely can.
Uh, Shahid, could you tell us one thing or two things which convinced you to do this role, Aditya ka role, in the script?
It's very difficult to name one or two things. Let me speak in general about what I felt about the script that was offered to me and what I felt about Imtiaz, who was going to direct the film. After a long time, I actually came across a script which I felt genuinely and honestly represented today's youth. I'm 26, so I feel I am a part of the youngsters today. I represent today's generation. So I think like them, I talk like them, I dress up like them, and it's very rare that one comes across a script which has the language, the sensibility, the characters, the experiences, and the situations which today's youngsters will go through. And I feel this film had that. When I read the script, the dialogues of the film were not dialogues. I actually felt that when I'm sitting with my group of friends, this is the way I talk. When we go out for a trip sometimes and do stupid things, or get stuck in the middle of the road, or get caught on the middle of the highway with a punctured tire, these are the experiences that we have. And I think, to me, that was the most exciting part of this film. I actually enjoyed it. When I actually heard the script, I was enjoying the situations, because I felt I had been through that. I mean, 4 years back, before I became an actor, I had gone on a trip to Goa, and I remember going through 4 hours of fog and driving in this small car that I had, and then our car broke down, and then we didn't have any place to go. So, I've gone through these things, and this is what this film is about. And it actually makes it happen like that, rather than making it um, artificial or larger than life, or more than necessary. And to me, that was the best part of the film. And whatever interaction I've had with Imtiaz is what really excites me is that he's somebody who I feel is his enthusiasm to do a scene comes from what he has seen in life. It is not coming from another film. It is not inspired from a scene he has seen on the big screen, but rather it's inspired from situations in life. And I feel that if that kind of director will always be able to connect with the audiences a lot more. बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ कर दी मैंने इम्तियाज़ की. I'll take money from him for this.